The Surface Duo is Microsoft's first ever Android device. It's not a phone, and it's not a tablet either. It's something entirely new for the mobile computing space. The Duo is considered a foldable, but unlike recent Samsung efforts in this category, like the Galaxy Z Flip and Z Fold 2, the Duo doesn't rely on a single bendable screen. Instead, Microsoft has married two 5.6-inch screens together with one fantastic, silent, and sturdy metal hinge. Open that up, and you now have an 8.1-inch display to work with. This gives the user more screen real estate to run multiple apps and multitask like a pro. And that's really who Microsoft is targeting here, the working professional. Thanks to its 360-degree hinge, the Duo can be positioned into 5 different modes, or postures as Microsoft calls them. Book posture sees the Duo unfolded much like a book. It's a natural fit for reading books on your Kindle app, or even running multiple apps on both screens. Compose posture flips the unfolded Duo on its side, allowing for the bottom screen to be used mainly as a keyboard. But this mode is actually best for scrolling through social media feeds. Tent mode is effectively lazy mode. This posture comes in handy for travelers who want to sit back and watch a film or show from the tray table. Single screen works best for taking phone calls or snapping photos with the Duo's 11-megapixel camera. And finally there's Peak, which doesn't do all that much. It's really just a workaround for the Duo's lack of a front-facing notification panel. To trigger it, open the Duo just slightly, and you'll be able to view the time. As with any novel product, there are growing pains, and the Duo is no exception. In fact, the Duo comes with a steep learning curve, as managing its many postures and gesture-based navigation can become a bit tricky and confusing. Give it enough time, however, and soon you'll be handling the Duo like a pro. But it's not all blue skies for Microsoft here. The Duo is a buggy device, and Microsoft has already issued a software update to address some of its more glaring issues. If imaging excellence is what you're in the market for, then you might want to steer clear of the Duo. Microsoft itself admitted that the camera was not its main priority in designing the Duo, and it shows. Its lone 11-megapixel camera is adequate for most photo and video needs, and certainly your Insta-feed. The Duo is also missing some crucial features that we've come to expect from flagship devices in 2020. Features like water resistance and 5G support. Those may not be included in today's Duo, but you can rest assured both will be present on its eventual successor. The Surface Duo is available to purchase now and starts at $1,400 for the base model with 128 gigabytes of storage. For an extra $100, you can bump that storage up to 256 gigabytes. The Duo works on all major US carriers and can even be bought unlocked direct from the Microsoft Store.